is Anushka. Welcome to my channel Go Creative with Anushka. This channel is all about drawing, painting, dancing, crafts and lots more creative activities. So join me and let's have some fun together. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing an art form called doodle art. We are going to use a pencil first so that we can erase our mistakes. First we are going to do the outline of the cat. A bump on the head, then we are going to make two humps. On the other side. Now as you come lower, we are going to do the tail. First a small wavy line, it goes and then curve it, then get to the other side. Now we are going to do the ears. They are the two triangle shape on both sides. This is the final result of the two ears. Now we are going to do the cat whiskers. They are the three lines on each side. Like 1, 2, 3. They come from the same point, but they are the three different lines. The same thing on the other side. Now we are going to do the partition so that it will be easier for us to do the doodle. So on the top part we are going to put a slanting line, a curved one. We are going to put 2 so that it looks little bit 3D, and we are going to fill it afterwards with the black. So right now I'll just do a little bit shading with the pencil so that I don't miss anything. Now we are going to do another partition, which is from the second half. It comes again a hump, then slightly up, then it comes to the third portion, which is the end portion of the cat. Now we are going to do another partition at the right side of the cat. So first we are going to put a line. At this part it should look like a triangle. And another line at the bottom. And this part will be filled with black afterwards, but now I am going to fill it with a pencil. Next we are going to again do a partition. Here pull a line. This part also should look like a triangle. At the bottom again you need to pull another line, and in the middle you need to shade. Now at this part of line we are going to put two triangles, an opposite triangle. It should come from this point to the other point, and again this point to other point. And we are going to leave some space here. Then at this point we are going to put another line, and then here a little bit space leaving, and we are going to put another line. But this time here we are not going to shade anything. Now after these two lines again we are going to put at this part, we are going to leave some space here. One line this way. Leave some space, again put like that one line, but in this case also we are going to leave some space. As you saw, we put a partition here. Above that we are going to put another partition at that way. And again we are going to leave some space for later. We are going to darken the bottom line for little, and at the top leave some space. At this point you need to put another line like that, and at this place we are going to put triangles. It depends on the size of your cat. So I am going to put 7 triangles, but you can put more or less even. Now at this part we are going to leave some space, put a line. At the same time we are going to put another at the bottom. Then as you can see, we are going to put lines. For me it fits 5 lines. You can put more or less depending on your space. Same way we are going to put some sleeping lines as well to create a square pattern in this place. Leave some space and do a curvy line at the top and same at the bottom, leaving some space. Leave some space, do the same outline. Then coming to the tail, you need to do half circles all over the tail. Now we are going to fill the blank spaces which we have left for later. We are going to fill with different kinds of creative designs. At this part where we have done a square pattern, we are going to fill it with some spots, like leaving one square box like you have done here and here. Then don't do it the same parts. Do it where you have not done at the previous one. This will create an amazing pattern. Now we have completed our design with pencil. Now we are going to do the outline with pen. I have used 3 kinds of pen. One for small detailing, one for thick places, and one for filling. Now we are going to use a thin tip pen to do lines and the small detail parts, like the ears, the structure, and the many detail, like it has small which we cannot do with the thick pens. Now we are going to use the liner pen for filling. Do you remember when we shaded the pencil? There only we are going to fill it like this way. Make sure you don't go out of the boundary. I have used these 2 pens for filling the drawing, like these parts, these parts, these parts. It was a really fun way to express my patience. Thank you.